Hey viewers, welcome to my video. I am Sumukh Verma from grade 10 Cygnus World School. So let's continue the video. So I have named my leadership journey till now as Ehsas Leadership because I thought that lead is teaching all about leadership and its value. So leadership for me is working with the team and not bossing around with the team and taking the opinions of the individuals and helping them in their tasks and all, and considering good traits of a leader. So these were the some virtual action challenges which were given to me and all the lead buddies. So we'll start with my wand, the power in me. So this is the image of my wand which I would like to share. And the powers of my wand are that it helps me overcome anxiety and stage fear, and it will stop the stimulation of hormone that stimulates the anxiety, which is cortisol, and this works same as dark chocolate does, and it helps reducing anxiety and stage fear and helps increasing the quality of a performance. The next I would like to share is the vision board, what I want to be. So I want to be a pilot, and this is a 3D model of a plane which I made during the time which was provided. And I love aviation, and my first priority as a pilot would be join Indian Air Force. If I pass out the Indian Air Force, then I'll be an Indian Air Force fighter, and if not, then I'll look. I have been looking my career as an airline commercial pilot, so that is also a good opportunity. And the skills required for being a pilot is decision making and critical thinking, and leadership is required in almost all tasks around us. So decision making will help me to take the hardest decisions, and it is the hardest to gain as we have to make accurate decisions for in the worst situation to save many people in a pilot's life. And critical thinking helps in decision making as it improves the quality of our thinking and the thoughts and all. So this is also a useful skill for pilots. And the next I would like to share is stretch of imagination. So the brief of toys, I have made two toys which are similar to a normal boy and one is normal girl. So they both are made out of clay, and their body parts are combined using toothpicks which hold the clay. So I'll show you the toys physically. So this is the girl with a nice pony, and this is the boy. So this stick helps them stick inside over here. This is how they look. And yeah, I am not very good at modeling, so they are very rough kind of. And these are some pictures if you weren't able to see them in the video, in the previous video. So have a look at them. So now comes the brief detail. So there are the main characters are this boy and a girl, but there are many other characters supporting which are not that important in the story. They are just there to complete the story. So I used clay and parents' help for making these toys. So next slide, help in kitchen. So I helped my mom in making tea, and making tea is very fast, quick, and I learned it very easily. And I never thought that it would be very easy. And my parents liked my handmade tea and told me that it was just how they liked and matched their taste, and it was awesome in short. So here are some pics while making the tea and the final product. And the problem statement and the whole thing is named as Bhook Ek Abhishap. It means hunger is a curse. So the problem statement is that there are many people around the world who do not get proper food, and they get meager amount of food which makes them malnourished and they starve. And the outcome of my project would be every person in India would sleep with his or stomach full and no one would starve. So I like this. thought and the actions I would take to make a world a better place would be go on social media, create awareness amongst people, and donate food to people who are not able to get it, and do public sessions, and I'll utilize expert professionals, I mean NGOs and all. And for now I have joined an organization, but I'll start volunteering them after my 10th boards. Evading food security, as I told you, I patched up with an organization called Robin Hood Army. So they provide food and go on food drives every week, and the resources which I utilize are Google, Instagram, and parents and YouTube. So my reach cannot be determined as because the organization I have joined has a great amount of followers, and I spent 1 week on it, and amount spent was 0 rupees, as I never went out and did something. Everything was online. So the only main challenge which I faced during this action challenge was time management, and the overall learnings were that I learned a lot about food security in India, and also I learned the consequences of a fake molestation case that can be filed against a man. There are many men who commit suicide because of this. It is very depressing. And the skills utilized was mainly time management, as I had to do everything in the span of 1 week. The leadership journey, my leadership journey is quite, I would say, okay. I was an introvert when I started it, but then I learned how to socialize, and found my hidden leader in me. And there is a video for that, 1 minute video, short video. And yeah, thank you, Lee. This is me 2018 speaking in public, embarrassed and tensed. But then I discovered lead and all about leadership. I was very new to these things at that time, but I learned very quickly. I learned how to socialize. I learned how to lead a community. I learned how to help people in need, and I learned what true leadership skills are. I got an experience of what an award function is like on 6th Lead Awards 2018, which was my first award function. And although I had not won it, but I was very proud. My family was very proud of it, and I loved it. And the experience of the 7th Lead Award was also awesome, as we had to record a video which I had never done before for a specific competition, and also I had not had a published video on YouTube for my project, so it was a new experience for me, and it was a new experiment for me which I love to do. This was me in 2018, and this was me in 2018 December. Within a span of 7 months, I changed a lot in personality. I would like to thank Lead for all it has given to me. Thank you, Lead.